Hey, good morning there, small craft anglers. Brian here. We're headed down to Pawleys Island today to do a little fishing. It's 7:40 in the morning. Hopefully we're down there around 8 o'clock. It's December 10th. It's currently 65 degrees outside. I think it's going to be pushing up into the 70s today. Partly cloudy skies. We got a little rain in the forecast, showers. Hopefully that's all going to clear out. It's been about 4 weeks since I've been able to go fishing between work and holidays and traveling. I just haven't been able to get back out on the water, so I'm very excited to do some fishing today. I don't have anything in my schedule that's going to pull me off the water today, so I can stay out there as long as I want. So yeah, I'm sure I've missed the last month when the fish have all been fired up, because that's the way my life works. But hopefully we can get on a bite today, and hope you guys will join me, and let's see what we can get out there and get on. Tide is now barely moving, barely out still. I'd say we're pretty much at slack. We're pretty much at slack tide here. Water is pristinely clean. All right, guys, we are on the board with one red at 16. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Let's get organized again and get back out there. All right, let's go try to pick up another one. Let's try to pick up another one. Let's just sit right here and see if we can't pick up another one. For a minute. There's one. There's one. Felt like one. Felt like we had one there for a minute. All right. Oh, good cast, good cast. Right up in this. All right, guys, we're gonna get over here to this dock. I hope, actually, maybe we just go this way, or we can get a good release on this guy. All right, guys, we're gonna pull up right here for a minute, get this guy back in the water. Get him measured and back in the water. That might be my personal best right there, guys. That's a big old guy. He is fat with a capital F. All right. There we go. Okay, got him. Easy guy, easy. I'm trying to help. I know it doesn't seem like it, but I promise. Get you back in the water. Okay. All right, let's get this guy on the measuring board real quick. Oh yeah. That guy is gonna go 22, guys. 22. Awesome. Awesome. All right, we're gonna let him go. Live another day. There he goes. Good to go. 22. We'll have to put that one in for release over 20. That was a big guy. I've already got my 2 for the day. I don't like to keep anything over 20. Normally, every once in a while, I'll keep a flounder. I'm trying even not to do that these days. Getting more. Leave that guy to catch another day. The big ones are the ones that are having babies, the females. So those are the ones we want to let go, guys. So by all means, if you can, do it. Don't get me wrong, I do keep fish to eat here and there, but not all the time. All right, let's get situated. Wow, that was awesome. That was awesome. I think that ties my personal best at 22, guys. I think that ties it. All right, let's get my phone back in the bag. All right. Hope that got on this camera because that was awesome. It was. All right, guys, I think we're gonna go ahead and head back for the day. It's about 1 p.m. I've been out here fishing since 8 a.m. We caught 4 redfish, 2 16-inch, and then the 122 big boy. And we also hooked into 2 more reds, but we didn't quite get them in the boat. But all in all, a wonderful day. Almost didn't come out today because it was kind of rainy and iffy on the weather, but so glad I did. Had a great day. I hadn't been out here for 4 weeks, so I truly enjoyed myself. Can't wait to get back out here again, and we'll see you guys on the next one.